Hello learners, today's new word is drudgery. Drudgery means hard work or kind of boring work, which is hard and boring both. This word you can use in your Ielts as well as in Duolingo. There are more chances that you will get this word in Duolingo as you have to listen and type the word, or where you have to read the word. Okay, because the pronunciation is little bit tricky. Here D is silent. Pronunciation is drudgery. Okay, now let's see the examples. Very first is calculators and computers are being great help as they remove manual drudgery of counting and managing files and folders. Again, I repeat, calculators and computers are being great help as they remove manual drudgery of counting and managing files and folders. Second example, I try my best that my teaching must not become drudgery for my student. I try my best that my teaching must not become drudgery for my students. Third example is drudgery of office work should not be overlooked as it can be the root cause of stress. Drudgery of office work should not be overlooked as it can be the root cause of stress. However, you can take some of drudgery out of it by planning well and sticking to your daily routine. However, you can take some of drudgery out of it by planning well and sticking to your daily routine. Here I have given one essay topic where you can use this word. The topic is like, some people find following a strict routine allows them to feel more in control. Others, however, think that constant changes to the routine make life more interesting and less predictable. What extent do you agree or disagree? Here you can write that following strict routine or fixed schedule can be drudgery for anyone. So for a change, if you follow or break some rules and do something which excites you or make you more relaxed, that is good for your health. There are also more chances that in future you have the essay topic related to corona situation or online teaching. So you can use this word in that type of topic also. This word can be also used to describe any action which is required but very difficult and boring at the same time. You can also say that spreading awareness is drudgery for the health worker during corona situation. This also can be utilized in the environment issues and topics related to health. Hope you like this video, and if you learn a new word and you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you for watching.